Hi, how are you? Today we're going to take a very nice color and going to draw the acrylic paint here. Let's put the orange color like the straight lines here. Awesome. So that's done for the landscape. And on top of it, we're going to paint a tree. Just putting the branches like this one. Okay. There's the green color. You can see here on the top. Okay. All right. So there's a level variation you can see here in the wood, so that's why the painting is a little bit critical, but we hope we're going to do fine. Let's put the yellow color as the leaves so that it becomes visible. Okay. All right. You can see the reflections on the water. And little bit green reflections. Just it's not the regular shade, but some conceptual shape here for the reflections of the tree. Okay. Let's draw it a little bit, making the orange color a little bit thicker. So the land area is just looking nice. Now for the water, let's take some pink color. In this case, it's little bit different in idea, and I hope it's going to be work very good here in this context. Just putting some straight lines with the pink to show it as a water body. Okay, pink color in the black canvas. And also you can see on the other side, so it means the water is all around this island. Okay, within the canvas. All right, so it's a very simple, very normal, easy drawing. You can do practice, and you can always do it. Just one single tree, one land, its reflections, and you can see the water body, hopefully in any color, so that merge with the environment very good. I hope you like the painting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.